Good day, everyone. My name is Salamatu Salihu. I'm the representative of Joda International School. I'm here to recite the poem, A Nation on the Wings of Poetry. A nation on the wings of poetry. The wind blows, the rain falls, the sun shines, the earth quakes. A nation discovered by an inspired sailor on curly hair, found to be in utter darkness and obvious obscurity, in comparison to the Western world of light and sparkles. A nation on the wings of poetry, flies so high up in the sky, perches on the tallest poetry, making her people wear but smiles. Speaking, it does. Writing, it does. Words of wisdom springs up from its innermost perceptions and thoughts, hoping to catch the minds of the old and young. Oh, what a nation on the wings of poetry! Noble in listening, infinite in faculty, packaged with vision, the beauty of the fields, the paradise of animals, all portrayed in poetry. Yes, not seen nor heard at home. Technology, bold, power, bold, poetry, her pride. For her past, present, and future, all packaged in it. Tell me a nation that is blessed. I show you my great nation, Nigeria, whose magnificence is glaring in the glory of our reasoning. Her words resonate in music, dance, and rap, with significant impact made by her poetic heroes, endowed with eons in mysticism. Little wonder the prestigious Nobel Prize. Thank you.